Hi everybody, it's Tina. I hope you all are well. I'm here to let you guys know as of April 4th, I will have my first surgery on my right hand for my carpal tunnel. It's not a very major surgery, but I'm going to be limited. What the doctor says is that it's just a tiny little incision. You can't see the dots, they're finally coming off. I tell you, whatever marker they use, I want, because they did these little dots showing me where they're going to be doing the incision, and I'm having one up here, possibly on my thumb. So one here and something here right in here, possibly. But whatever. Then in 2 weeks' time, I come out with a club cast, and I don't know what that is. So all I know is it's like here up, I guess, to about here. And then when I go back in 2 weeks for this one, they'll take it off. My understanding, take the stitches out, and then I'll have a brace. And then in 2 weeks' time, I go back and same force. But so if you don't see me live, because this is my dominant hand, that's the reason why. But I have some videos that I'm going to try to get up in the next, a couple days ahead of time. So there's something going on my channel. I'll probably be watching people go live, because what else am I going to do? At least you know, I said that I love Court TV and Cult Mom's husband, Lori Vallow. If I don't know if anybody she killed her children for whatever. Her husband's trial's coming up, so at least I can sit up in bed and watch that. But I thought I'd just let you guys know. So, I will see you sometime back in May doing lives. I'm hoping by May I'm healed enough that I can go back to crafting. I wanted it done as soon as possible. I could have had it done Thursday. And I'm like, I looked at the doctor, and I'm like, this Thursday? She's like, yeah. I said, I can't. I said, she goes, can I ask why not? I said, it's my granddaughter's birthday, and I have my granddaughters. I said, I have my grandchildren all week. I said, my daughter's in college, and they're on spring break. They're at my house all week. And she goes, oh, okay, I understand. How about the following Thursday then? I'm like, it took me a month and a half to get this appointment, and I could be in the surgery in a week? But I ain't complaining. I'm looking forward to the surgery. And a lot of people don't say that. And the only reason I'm saying that is because my hands have been painful to me. And I didn't realize, they think I've had carpal tunnel for 10 years. I don't know how they determine that. I guess by this ultrasound they did on my hands 3 times now. My hands always bothered me. I just wrote it off. I'm not one to run the doctor. Matter of fact, the only reason I ran to the doctor this time for this is because it was so painful. I had tears in my eyes, and I was constantly putting them in ice cubes. That's the only way to take away the pain. So that's why you won't be seeing any Tina's Tuesdays. I will finish Tina Tuesday project I started sitting here when I get back, and that's doing that little journal we started. This one, I got everything in there. The only reason I didn't do Tina Tuesdays because I have the grandkids. Yeah, so I started. We'll finish that. I'll put this all back in. Actually, I'm going to put it in a bigger basket. So we can finish working on that when I get back. I should be healed up enough by May to start going to live videos again and crafting, or sooner than that, because after this one heals, I should have this one back. He wants me to use it. He told me that after whatever with the brace, because he asked me what I do, and I told him. I said, he goes, what's your job? Because he was going to give me the slip of paper for the work, or my work. And I said, I don't need one. I'm a homemaker. And then so he goes, you do dishes. He's trying, he's not trying to be stereotype. It was funny. I said, well, yeah, I do the typical housework, but I like painting. And he goes, okay, like houses? He's thinking I was painting houses. And no, so I bring up my phone and I show him. And it's like, no, those are cool. So you use the paintbrush a lot. I'm like, yeah. He said, well, that would be good therapy once I have my surgery. Because it's about the motion. I have to keep this, I guess, straight for a while. He told me not to even pick up a paintbrush unless I could do it with this hand until I had, but I will figure it out. So, I want to thank you guys for all my people that support my channel. I will miss you. I will be in your chat. Maybe a pinky high. I type like a chicken anyways, so it's going to be like... so thank you for your listening. I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.